Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how to talk about your pets. We'll start here with this simple question. Petto ga imasu ka? The word for pet in Japanese is petto. The verb imasu means to have or to exist and applies to living things. Underneath the question, we have a few alternative answers. To start with, if you wish to say you have a pet, you can simply respond with hai imasu, which means yes, I have one. If you wish to add a little more detail to your response by inserting the animal that you have, you can do that by inserting the animal followed by ga and then imasu. For example, yes, I have a dog. Hai, inu ga imasu. The word for dog in Japanese is inu. You can change this pet to anything that applies to you though, and there is a list of typical pets on the third slide. On the second slide, we can see how to say that we don't have any pets. We simply say, iie imasen. The word iie means no, and our verb imasu has been changed to imasen, which means I don't have. So on the third slide is a list of common pets and some mythical ones also. To start with, we have duck, which is ahiru, dog, which is inu, rabbit is usagi, horse is uma, goldfish is kingyo, bird is tori, cat is neko, snake is hebi, cow is ushi, and dragon is tatsu. So what if you wanted to say you had a cat and a dog? Using the concept you learnt in the previous lesson to list family members, you can do the same thing here with pets using the particle to. Remember, the particle to means and. So if you wanted to say that you had a cat and a dog, you would simply say neko to inu ga imasu. Now please note that Japanese doesn't have plural words. For example, in English, if we want to say we have one cat, we would say a cat. If we wish to explain that we have more than one cat, we would use the plural of the word cat, which is cats. For example, I have cats and dogs. In Japanese, when you say hai inu ga imasu, for example, I have a dog, this could mean you have one or more dogs. There's no indication here of how many dogs you have, unlike in English. Slide 4 explains how to be more specific with how many of each type of pet you have. If you want to say that you have more than one of a particular type of pet, the following expressions can be used. For example, I have 2 cats. Neko ga 2 hiki imasu. Here we can see that we have simply inserted the number of cats directly before imasu. To make things a little more complicated, Japanese also uses special counters or words depending on the type of animal you're referring to. In this case, we are referring to small animals, and the counter for this is hiki or biki. So to say we have 2 cats, we use the word for 2, which is ni, and then we attach the word hiki. In our second example, we have multiple numbers of different pets. We have 3 cats and 2 dogs. So we would say, neko ga 3 biki to inu ga 2 hiki imasu. We apply the same concept as we did above for both sets of pets by putting the number directly before imasu and link them together with to make it into a single sentence. So that's about all for this topic, but if you have any comments or questions, please let me know.